All right, Shalom. Um, this is just a quick one, nothing long. I just want to basically say that I realized I made a mistake. Normally I catch these things and I'll, if I make any kind of little error, normally I'll catch it and I'll cut it out or something, so that it's not, I don't sow any confusion amongst Israel, amongst the sheep, But I just caught a little mistake that I made, and I first want to say that I'm really sorry for that for anyone that has watched this lesson. I mean, it's not something like teaching false doctrine like the mark of the beast or something, but it is something that needs to be corrected. But I'll show you what I'm talking about, and then I'll show you the correct precept for this, or the correct understanding for this. It's just sometimes when it comes to this, I do tend to get this confused, and I need to check myself on that. All right, and that's my error, and I do apologize, but check it out. It's speaking about the 10 horns. I always get the NATO and the EU mixed up, but I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about in this lesson that I did, and I'm gonna just show you the correct breakdown of it. 1 second.
It makes you a bit anxious because it's like, well, what's going to happen? How crazy is this world going to get? It's going to be like a time that we've never seen before. So nobody has an answer for that. We can't answer anybody's question and say, this is exactly what's going to happen, because we don't know. It's a time like no other,
That's it. I got a quick precept I want to bring out.
Yeah.
Because you were speaking about the 10 horns, I grabbed that precept. I was actually looking for it while you were saying that, to be honest. Alright, so this is the book of Revelation, chapter 17, verse 16. It says, "And the 10 horns which thou sawest upon the beast, these shall hate the whore. And the whore is Babylon the Great, the daughter of Babylon, the great whore." Okay? Which all the countries of the earth have committed fornication with, meaning they're doing trade deals and taking on the philosophies and the ideologies of America, man, walking in the same ways as America, okay? America has a great influence over these other countries, man. It says, "In the 10 horns which thou sawest," the 10 horns is NATO. Okay, so it says.
So right there, I know I was about to say the EU, but then I thought to myself, no, it's actually NATO. When actually I was right the first time, it was the EU. So the 10 horns is the EU and the beast is NATO, and I sometimes get those confused. So Lord willing, no one really took that to heart and actually took that for gospel, because I did make an error there, and that's why I'm doing this short lesson, just to correct myself and anyone that may have watched that video. Or that lesson, if you came across that bit, Lord willing, I didn't sow any confusion. So this is why I'm doing this lesson. It's just a correction that the EU, the 10 horns is the EU, and the beast is NATO. Okay. Now, as far as Babylon the Great, I had that correct. It's just that one little thing I said was a little off, and I do apologize, Salakia, for that. All right. And may Yahweh Bashim Yahushai forgive me for that one. I don't mean to purposely lead anybody astray in this truth, man. So I had to bring that out real quick. All right. So Lord willing, you're edified, and shalom.